Hello guys, welcome to the PP channel. Today I want to share a really interesting DIY project. It's an anime song picker frame. Or simply a frame with NFC tags. Anyways, let's start with the materials we need. It's actually pretty simple. First, grab a frame. Dollar Tree or Michael's. I got mine from Daiso. Then a cardstock or paper. Some kind of cutters. We will need some tape or double-sided tape. Then of course the NFC tags, which you can find on Amazon for like $1 each. Last but not least, we need a printer or the printout of your designs. Now all the physical materials are ready. You need a program to create your design. For me, I picked Canva, which is a pretty good place to create DIY products. Create a new project and search for the music player template. Pick the type of template you like and print it out. Then go on YouTube, print out the thumbnail pictures of some of your favorite songs. Cut out everything and put them on your cardstock. Remember to stick your NFC tag behind the thumbnail cutout. Then you can put everything together. And there's only one last step to do. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Download an app called NFC Tools. Now open the app and click the right button. Click on Add a Record. Now search for custom URL/URI. Put the URL of the YouTube video you want to connect to the frame. Click OK and then click Write. Put your phone toward the NFC tag inside of your frame. And you're done. Now, whenever you tap your phone onto the tag, it will open up the YouTube video of your choice. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you again. Bye.